back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to know how much RAM your Windows laptop actually has. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. But the first thing you want to do is to head over to your window menu right here, and make sure you right click on the Windows Start menu, and then make sure you go to Settings. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you navigate to System right here. Click on System. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to About right here. So click on About. Then it's going to open up this particular window right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, where you have Installed RAM right here. And this is to tell you that your PC is running on actual number of figure you have right here. So at the time of making this video, this particular PC here is running on 16 gig RAM, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.